fast is racing time. Hello, Sebastian Vettel.
2009 will be an exciting Formula One season. This year the teams had a very tricky job to do. With all the new regulations, the new aero package, KERS, all those things had to be developed and produced. In lots of complex work steps, mostly custom made in their own factory at Red Bull Technology in England. Fascinating procedures that you don't usually get to see. Thousands of parts and no room for error. If there is, it could mean the end of the race or less safety. Almost everything can be simulated and tested in the factory. The first airstream blows around the car on a 60% scale model in the wind tunnel. In the aerodynamic tests we are looking for the ideal combination of downforce and drag. This is where you gain performance. The car runs its first meters on the test rig. Here the car can find out how it's going to feel. When everybody is happy, and that's a lot of people, the car leaves the factory and the tests continue on the circuit. A racing car is never complete. It is constantly being developed. Stepping into the car for the very first time, starting the engine for the very first lap. That's really an exciting moment. Well, for me it's more than just a car. She will never let me down. We lose and we win together.
Good morning, my lovelies. Time to get up